is a CMA. Of course, the highlight today is on the word M, management. In fact, this is more than just a tagline. It is the fundamental truth of our profession. We often hear this phrase, but today, May 6th, International Management Accounting Day, is the day we explain why. The world celebrates this day to recognize that modern organizations need more than just a record of their financial history. They need a blueprint for their economic future. This tagline is the bridge between accountancy and strategy. While traditional accounting focuses on the accuracy of what has happened, management accountancy is the heartbeat of what will happen. We celebrate today because the global economy recognizes that value is not just found in the balance sheet, but in the strategic foresight of CMA who interprets it. To set the tone for this morning, I want to share a short story rooted in our Indian heritage that perfectly captures this specific distinction. Centuries ago, when a great king in southern India decided to build a massive reservoir to protect his people from drought, he sought the counsel of three different experts. The first was the statistician. He provided thick ledgers detailing every drought the kingdom had faced over the last 50 years with precise tables of rainfall. He was the master of the past. The second was the treasurer. He counted every gold coin in the royal vaults and told the king exactly what was available today. He was the master of the present. But the king turned to the third expert, a brilliant chief strategist and navigator. This advisor didn't just look at past rain or current gold. She studied the slope of the Deccan Plateau, predicted the population growth for the next century, and designed a system of canals that would ensure sustainable value for generations to come. She was the true architect of the future. In the modern Indian corporate landscape, we CMAs are those strategic navigators. We are the ones behind those successful decisions because we provide the foresight that turns numbers into narratives and data into destiny. On this International Management Accounting Day, here in the tech capital of Bengaluru, we gather to explore our theme, Management Accounting, Driving Strategy, Performance, and Sustainable Value. It is my absolute honor to welcome you all to this national seminar organized by the Management Accounting Committee of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. To officially commence our proceedings, it's time to invite our esteemed navigators and dignitaries to grace the dais. I first invite the leader of our profession, CMA T.C.A. Srinivasa Prasad, President, ICMAI, to grace the dais. I invite CMA Neeraj Dhananjay Joshi, Vice President, ICMAI. I invite our host for the day, CMA Suresh R. Gunjali, Chairperson of the Management Accounting Committee, and CMA Raghavendra B.K., Chairperson, Bengaluru Chapter, to grace the dais. Light is the symbol of knowledge, prosperity, and the removal of darkness. To mark the auspicious beginning of this seminar, I now request all the dignitaries on the dais to come forward for the lighting of the lamp. I invite Central Council members to join the lighting of the lamp. May this light signify the dawn of professional excellence and the spread of wisdom across our fraternity.
Asato ma sadgamaya Tamaso ma jyotirgamaya Mrityurmamritangamaya
Asato ma sadgamaya Tamaso ma jyotirgamaya मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय
मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय